how to copy Excel table to the AutoCAD. So that's very interesting. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we have to copy this. So if you want any table, so you must pick your table. So then you have to copy your region like this, then Ctrl C, or you can easily copy it. So next you must open your AutoCAD file. So then you go to the edit. Okay, then edit and choose face special option. So in that special option you can see there have a lot of options. On those options you have to choose AutoCAD entities. So this one you have to OK. Then quickly it will paste your table to the AutoCAD. But here you can see one problem, because the original color is black, that's why it's happened. So you have to do very easy thing. So go to your Excel file and change your color to the what you want color. I pick some light blue. Okay, then again copy, Ctrl C, then came to the AutoCAD done. Then again I go to the edit face special and choose AutoCAD entities, and I here paste it. You can see all the data are copied to the very easily, and also they have all the options when we go to the any table we are using in AutoCAD. Thank you.